The watch has been unveiled as part of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on 10 August, where it launched alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 foldables, as well as the standard Galaxy Watch 5 and new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro available to pre-order ahead of watch's release date of 26th August. Like the other devices in Samsung's lineup. In the US, it's set to cost $449 for the Bluetooth version and $499 for the LTE 4G version, compared to $279.99 for the Bluetooth version of the standard Watch 5 and $329.99 for LTE. That's quite a jump for the leap in design quality, bigger battery and enhanced GPS features. In the UK, the Watch 5 Pro is set to cost €429 for Bluetooth version and €479 for LTE version. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a great looking device. The first thing you notice is the screen. It's clear, bright, and we found it buttery smooth to swipe through. It's a big 1.36-inch display ringed by a raised bezel on the titanium casing to protect the watch from impact. It certainly took up a lot of real estate on our wrist, but as someone used to wearing chunky Germans, it didn't feel unnatural. The sapphire crystal glass and titanium casing is also said to be twice as durable as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, ensuring it's equipped to take on an adventure. Fittingly, the Samsung's toughest watch yet, the raised bezel gives it a rugged feel, adding to its outdoorsy nature. The silicone strap with a hinged debuckle band is exclusive to the Watch 5 Pro as well, as this sporty brand is not available with the standard Watch 5. It's a utilitarian piece of kit, and it took sleek with the black titanium colorway watch we tested. But we anticipate leather bands for more social occasions are on their way in the near future. The Watch 5 Pro is IP68 rated water resistant, so it can be submerged for over 30 minutes for depths greater than 1 meter. This is a step up from many common on-garden smartwatches and adds to the watch's fitness crit. Your Garmin, Sunchos, Amazfits, and even Casio digital watches should all be able to withstand the rigors of seawater. Whether you are attempting your first triathlon or going for a surf with some friends for an hour, the Watch 5 Pro can effectively join those ranks. The UX is satisfyingly designed too. The watch comes with a smorgasbord of different face options, the familiar heart-shaped equivalent of the Apple Watch's activity rings, and even the activity profiles offer small animations when selected, which is a lovely touch. For example, the little stick figure runs when the running profile is selected and swims when you swipe over to the next activity format. The two buttons on the watch side aren't just there to echo Garmin, but also act as sensors by which bioelectric impedance analysis scans can be performed by pressing your fingers to them for a minute. More on this later. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.